This is a video introducing the key features of GDOR 42oz Smart Nut Milk Maker. It helps give you an overview. Of course. If you want to learn all the features, follow the link in the video description. Let's start by learning about the key features. 9-in-1 all-in-one design. This versatile nut milk maker combines 9 functions in one appliance, from nut, oat, and soy milk to juices, smoothies, boiling water, and more. It also includes keep warm, self-cleaning, and 12-hour delay. Smart large display panel. Each button of this nut milk maker machine includes clear icons and text for easy recognition. The digital display shows time and working status at a glance. Simple, smart, and user-friendly. 42 ounces large capacity, perfect for family use, making multiple servings of plant-based milk or smoothies at once. Premium 304 stainless steel construction, built with stainless steel blades and inner pot for durability, safety, and smooth blending. Ensures even grinding for silky smooth plant milk and easy cleaning after use. 2-hour keep warm and 12-hour delay. Enjoy your drinks at the perfect temperature with 2-hour auto keep warm. Plan ahead with a 12-hour timer. Wake up or come home to fresh, warm plant milk anytime you want. You can click the subscribe button and select the bell to receive instant notifications when future videos are uploaded. See you in the next video. Thank you.